Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best trolling motor mount is probably one of the most overlooked, yet critical, components for any angler or boater using a trolling motor. It provides the essential link between your motor and your boat, impacting everything from maneuverability to the motor's lifespan. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of trolling motor mounts, helping you choose the perfect one to enhance your on-water experience. Number 5. Controll Easy Mount Trolling Motor Mount. This is a bow mount designed for john boats and utility boats. It clamps directly to the bow, and requires no drilling. It's easy to install and perfect for freshwater fishing. The mount is compatible with any hand-controlled trolling motor. It uses the same setup as a standard transom mount, making it easy to attach your motor. By mounting the trolling motor on the bow, you'll get better steering response. This improves positioning and fish-finding capabilities in freshwater environments. Built with rugged, weather-resistant materials, this mount is made for long-lasting performance. It can withstand harsh fishing conditions, ensuring it will last. The clamp-on design installs in minutes without tools. It requires no permanent modifications to your boat, making it ideal for DIY anglers and portable setups. What we like. This mount offers a super easy, no-drill installation, perfect for DIY anglers. It's universally compatible, fitting most trolling motors. If you're looking for a quick and easy upgrade to your john boat, this is the one. It improves boat control, giving you better steering and fish-finding capabilities. What people say. It fits perfect with room to spare, and I will leave it installed. It works great and securely clamps to the curve of the boat. It does not need a perfectly flat surface to clamp onto the side of the boat. Easy and fast to mount transom trolling motor to the front of any boat. No tools needed. Number 4. Pelican Transom Kayak Motor Mount, Catch Series. This motor mount makes it simple to add a trolling motor to your kayak. It's designed for a quick and easy setup, so you can spend more time on the water. The package comes with everything you need for installation. You'll find 5 bolts, 5 nuts, and 10 washers included, ensuring a secure fit. This mount is built to last. It's made of polypropylene reinforced with fiberglass, providing durability and strength for your adventures. This mount is specifically designed for certain Pelican kayaks. It is compatible with the Catch PWR 100, Catch Mode 110, and Getaway 110 models. The mount features a sleek black finish. It will seamlessly integrate with your kayak, providing a clean and professional look. What we like. This mount is specifically designed for Pelican kayaks, ensuring a perfect fit. It's built with durable, fiberglass reinforced polypropylene. If you have a Pelican Catch Series kayak, this mount provides a quick and easy trolling motor setup, enhancing your fishing experience. What people say. Went on easy with 5 bolts. Took 10 minutes to install and seems very sturdy. Comes with hardware. It can hold the Newport kayak trolling motor perfectly. Easy to mount. Constructed very well. Very sturdy. Number 3. Minn Kota MKA 16-03 Quick Release Bracket. This quick release bracket from Minn Kota allows you to easily detach and reattach your trolling motor to your boat. It's a convenient solution for those who need flexibility. The side screw design securely attaches the trolling motor to the top bracket. It then slides into the deck-mounted bottom bracket and is secured with a tightening screw. Made with solid, anodized aluminum, this bracket is built to last. It's designed to withstand the rigors of freshwater use. The bracket includes all the necessary mounting hardware. You'll have it installed and ready to go in no time. For extra peace of mind, the brackets can be secured with a padlock, although it is not included. This provides an added layer of protection for your trolling motor. This bracket is compatible with a range of Minn Kota trolling motors, including Ulterra, Terrova, PowerDrive, and more. It's designed specifically for freshwater use. What we like. This bracket features a quick release mechanism, making it easy to remove and reattach your trolling motor. It's built with solid, anodized aluminum for durability. If you value security and want to protect your investment, this bracket allows you to secure it with a padlock. What people say. This is easy to mount and works real good. I needed to be able to slide my trolling motor back so it didn't get caught on the roller when unloading the boat, and it does that great. The quick release is very handy, the mount is tough and secures the motor well. The new generations of trolling motors are very expensive, which makes them highly sought after and prone to thievery. This adapter plate will give you a peace of mind and keep your investment safe. Whether you store your boat outside, need to head into a store before or after fishing, or park the boat anywhere, you can take your trolling motor off in minutes and lock away safely. Another feature that many do not know about is load-unload slide back clearance. The new trolling motors extend a bit beyond the front of the boat. When loading or unloading, your motor could get damaged if positioning is not correct. Before load and unload, just slide the motor back and no more worries. Number 2. Bracket and hinge assembly for electric trolling motor. This is a bracket and hinge assembly designed for electric trolling motors. It is made of high-strength nylon plastic, ensuring durability and longevity for your motor. This assembly can accommodate a maximum transom thickness of 3 inches. It is designed to fit a variety of boats, providing a secure and stable mount for the motor. The maximum width, measured from washer to washer, is 6 inches. This measurement is crucial for ensuring a proper fit with your electric outboard motor. The bracket and hinge are constructed from high-strength nylon plastic. This material is resistant to corrosion and wear, making it ideal for marine environments. It is designed for a shaft size of 1/18 inches and includes stainless steel hardware. This ensures a secure and reliable connection, providing peace of mind while you're on the water. Before you order, please make sure that this assembly is suitable for your electric outboard motor. Checking the specifications will help to ensure it is a perfect fit. What we like. This mount is constructed from high-strength nylon plastic, ensuring durability. It includes stainless steel hardware for corrosion resistance. If you have a specific transom thickness, this mount is a great choice, offering a secure and adjustable fit for your electric outboard motor. What people say. Fit Summit Live Scope Pole perfect, can use on different boats now. Insert an ice fishing live scope pole and you have an open water setup for boats canoe. Schnell Lieferung. Macht einen stablen Eindruck und funktioniert im Gelieferten Urzustand, sehr gut. Number 1. MotorGuide Chi Series Quick Release Mounting Bracket Kit. This is the MotorGuide Chi Series Quick Release Mounting Bracket Kit. It's designed for easy and secure trolling motor mounting. This kit ensures your motor is always ready to go. The bracket features a low-profile design. It also has a positive locking mechanism, providing a secure hold for your trolling motor. It has a durable composite base with a white finish. This construction ensures longevity and resistance to the elements. The bracket includes a security clasp. This allows you to add a padlock for extra protection. The kit includes both top and bottom plates. It comes with all the necessary stainless steel hardware for installation. What we like. This mount features a low-profile design that won't get in your way. It's made with a durable composite base. If you like a sleek look and want added security, this mount includes a security clasp for a padlock, keeping your trolling motor safe. What people say. This mount is very simple, is easy and quick to install or uninstall the trolling motor on my boat. This is a really well-made product that makes mounting a motor on a kayak easy, would recommend. Easy and quick to install, fit my trolling motor perfectly. Easy on and off and lockable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.